Hello students. Poem 7th Standard English. Notes Part 2 Pre-reading activity. So many wonderful things live on land and also in water. Some things, animals seen on land and in water are given below. Write L for the things available on land and W for those found in water within the brackets provided for each of the words. Fish, water. Parrot, land. Shell, water. Cod, land. Ship, water. Ox, land. Whale, water. Crocodile, water. Horse, land. Tortoise, land and water also. Sea song. Poem. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. First one. Where did the child find the seashell? Second one. The shape of the shell was curly. Third one. Where did the child take the shell to? Fourth question. What did the child's mother do? First answer is the child found the seashell lying on the sand. Third one is the child took the shell to his home. Fourth one, his mother held it to his ear. Second meant the child took the shell in his hands near his ears and heard the song. We use different part of our body for different purposes. Complete the poem by filling them with the right names of the parts of your body. First one, I see with my dash. I see with my eyes. Second one, I walk with my dash. I walk with my legs. Third one, I smell with my dash. I smell with my nose. Fourth one, I taste with my dash. I taste with my tongue. I comb my dash every day. I comb my hair every day. Sixth one, I brush my dash every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. Third man, read the following lines. Mummy looked at it and then she held it to my ear. So you call your mother Mummy. In the same way, we also call the other members of our family by short names. Here are the names of the members of family under column A and their forms in column B, match them. Column A and column B. First one, father, daddy, grandfather, grandpa, grandmother, grandma, aunt, auntie. Fourth main, read the pairs of rhyming words. Sand, hand. Ear, clear. You can form as many words as possible by replacing just one letter. For example, sand, land. S-A-N-D, sand, H-A-N-D, hand. In the same way, add one letter in the box and form words. You can also refer to a dictionary. First one, ear, clear. In ear, E is first letter. In clear, C is first letter. Second one, sing, ring. S-R-S-I-N-G, sing, R-I-N-G, ring. Third one, cold, gold. In cold, C is first letter. In gold, G is first letter. Fourth one, hard, word. In hard, H is first letter. Word, W is first letter. Fifth one, wish, fish. Wish, W is first letter. Fish, F is first letter. Unit 8, pre-reading activity. Names of tools or materials are given in column A and the pictures of persons who use them are given under column B. Match them. Column A and column B. Chisel, hammer, hand saw, Brush, paints, ladder, stethoscope, thermometer, syringe and needle, swing machine, measuring tape, thread and needle. Blackboard, piece of chalk, ruler. The magical chisel play. Comprehension. First main, answer the following questions after discussing the answers in your group. First one, why did Somu look worried in the beginning of the play? Answer. He looks worried because he is unable to make enough money with carpentry. Second question, what was the speciality of the magic chisel? Answer, the magic chisel helped Somu to make furniture with fragrance. Third one, on what condition did the angel give the chisel to Somu? Answer, the condition is Somu should never be greedy. If he was greedy, the chisel will lose its power. Fourth question, what made Somu give away the doll to the princess? Answer is the princess gave him bag of gold coins. So Somu was very happy, forgets the condition of the angel and the promise made to Sundari and gave the doll in return for gold coins. Fifth question, why did the chisel lose its magic power? Fifth answer is the chisel lose its magic power because of his greedy and he wanted to make money. Second main, discuss with your friend and fill in the circles with correct information. First one, the main character of the play, Somu. Second one, the carpenter gives away doll in return for bag of gold coins. Third one, the female characters in the play are Princess, Sundari, and Angel. Third main, based on your understanding of the place, circle the right word given in each of the boxes to complete the statements. One example is given. First one, Somu works from morning to evening, so he is hardworking. Lazy, hardworking, idle, hardworking. Second one, the angel gives Somu a magic chisel. She is kind. Cruel, beautiful, kind, kind. Third one, the chisel helps Somu make furniture with fragrance. It is dash. Special, ordinary, simple. Special. The chisel helps Somu make furniture with. Fourth one, Somu finally gives the doll to dash. The princess, Sundari, the angel. Somu finally gives the doll to the princess. Fifth one, the magic chisel loses its power because of Somu's dash. Carelessness, foolishness, greed. Answer is greed. The magic chisel loses its power because of Somu's greed. Magic with the words. Fourth main, Here are some people who do different jobs. What are they called? Complete the sentences by filling the words. First one, a person who looks after a garden is a dash. A person who looks after a garden is a gardener. Second one, a person who cuts hair is a dash. A person who, a person who cuts hair is a barber. Third one, a person who flies an aeroplane is dash. A person who flies an aeroplane is pilot. Fourth one, a person who drives a bus is called a driver. Fifth one, a person who makes ornaments out of gold is a dash. A person who makes ornaments out of gold is a jeweler. Fifth one, with the help of clues given below, write a three-letter words in each triangle. One example is given. First one, man. Second one, two. Third one, bad. Fourth one, eat. Fifth one, cow. Sixth one, fox. Seventh one, hot. Eighth one, cup. Ninth one, dog. Tenth one, six. First one, other gender of woman, man. A number between 1 and 3 is 2. Opposite of good, bad. When you are hungry, you should eat. Fifth one, an animal that gives milk, cow. Sixth one, a cunning animal, fox. Seventh one, opposite of cold, hot. Eighth one, we use this to drink tea, coffee, etc. Cup. Ninth one, a faithful animal, dog. Tenth one, the number that comes after 5, 6. Sixth main, animals and birds in the circle. The circle is divided into six parts. In each part, there are letters which are mixed up. You have to rearrange the given letters to make a word. Each word ends with T, and each of these words is the name of either an animal or a bird. Write the words in the given space. One example is given. Answer: first one is rabbit, second one is parrot, third one is goat, fourth one elephant, fifth one is cat, sixth one is ant. Language in use for seventh main. Study the following sentences. Oh God, please help me. Wow, what a beautiful doll. Oh, that's very kind of you. Alas, my chisel has lost its power. The words oh, wow, alas do not have meanings of their own, but they are used to express the strong feelings of joy or sorrow. Therefore, they are followed by marks of exclamations. They are called interjections. Match the interjections under column A with the expressions under column B. Column A and column B. First one, hurrah! We have won the match. Pooh! What a bad smell! Alas! He met with an accident. Bravo! He saved the life of a child. Fifth one, ah! What a fine weather! D. Reading. Eighth main, read the following paragraph with your friend and fill in the blanks with the words given in the box that best express the feelings in each case. The first one has been done for you. Happy, excited, worried, surprised, unhappy. Somu is unable to make enough money with his carpentry, so he looks worried. He is worried because he cannot fulfill his daily needs with the little money he has. Thinking about his misfortune, he goes to bed. In his dream, he is excited to see an angel. The angel gives him a magic chisel with which he can make furniture with fragrance. He is really surprised to receive such a chisel. He feels very happy. E. Writing. Ninth main. Develop a story by using the clues given below. Also look at the pictures which will help you complete the story. Woodcutter, honest, hard-working, cutting a tree by the river. Axe fell into the river, prayed to the river goddess. The goddess appeared, showed a golden axe. The woodcutter refused. Then showed a silver axe. The woodcutter refused. Finally showed the woodcutter's refused. Finally showed the woodcutter's iron axe. He accepted it. The river goddess felt happy about his honesty, gave all the three axes to the woodcutter. Now begin their story like this. Once there lived a woodcutter who was very honest and hardworking. One day he was cutting a tree by the river. By mistake, his axe fell into the river. So he prayed to the river goddess. The goddess appeared. She showed him a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to take that axe and said, "This is not mine," because he was honest. Then second time she showed silver axe. The woodcutter refused. Finally she showed the woodcutter's iron axe. Then he accepted it. The river goddess felt happy about his honesty, and she gave him all the three axes to the woodcutter. Spoken English language function expressing gratitude. Don't worry, I am giving you a magic chisel. It will help you make furniture with fragrance. Oh, that's very kind of you. In the above conservation, the angel offers a magic chisel to Somo. Observe how Somo expresses his gratitude for the angel. This is one way of expressing gratitude. 10th main, look at the following example and express gratitude in different ways as directed in brackets. Example, your uncle presented a beautiful watch on your birthday. Thanks. Uncle, thanks for the beautiful birthday present. First one, your friend Irshad helped you by giving his book. Irshad, thank you so much for your kind help. Second one, your sister Anita has bought a refill for your pen. Answer is Anita, thanks a lot for the refill for my pen. Third one, your teacher lent you 100 rupees to pay your examination fee. Answer, sir, I am really grateful for you for giving 100 rupees to pay my examination fee. Fourth one, John ironed your shirt. Answer, John, many thanks for ironing my shirt. Fifth one, your friend Suma gave you the book that you forgot to bring home from the class. Answer, oh, I forgot to bring it. That's so nice of you, Suma. Listening. 11th main. Listen to your teacher and as you listen to him or her, complete the following table. Teacher to read the test. My name is Mahesh. I want to tell you about my friend James. He is short and fat. He is fair and good looking. He has brown hair and blue eyes. I am 12 years old and he is 1 year older than me. He likes wearing blue and green shirts. He loves to play cricket. We play cricket together. He reads story books and comics. First one, name of the narrator Mahesh. His friend's second one, his friend's name James. Third one, his friend's height and physique, short and fat. Fourth one, his friend looks fair and good looking. Fifth one, color of his friend's hair, brown hair. Sixth one, color of his friend's eyes, blue eyes. Seventh one, his friend's age, 12 years old. Eighth one, his friend likes wearing blue and green shirt. Ninth one, his friend's favorite game, cricket. Tenth one, his friend reads storybooks and comics.